Hello everyone and welcome back to your favorite channel, English with Altaf. I'm Ikra and I'm so happy you're here today. In this video, we are going to talk about a very important and interesting topic: how to talk to anyone in English. Whether you are a beginner or someone who already knows some English but feels nervous when speaking to people, this video is for you.
Hello friends, I'm Altaf and thank you for joining us. Yes, today's topic is all about how to confidently talk to anyone in English. We will share easy phrases, tips, and techniques that can help you start and continue a conversation with anyone, whether it's a stranger, friend, teacher, or colleague. So stay with us till the end, because by the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident speaking in English.
Let's begin with a very simple question. Why do people find it hard to talk to others in English? The main reason is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, and fear of forgetting words. But let me tell you one thing. Mistakes are a part of learning. If you don't speak, you will never improve. So the first tip is, don't be afraid to speak. Just try.
Exactly. The second thing you need is simple English sentences. You don't need fancy or big vocabulary. Start small. Let's look at some easy sentences you can use when meeting someone for the first time. For example, "Hi, how are you? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do?" These questions are friendly, and anyone can understand them. You can use them in any conversation.
That's right, Altaf. And when someone answers your question, try to show interest. Don't just ask and stay quiet. For example, if someone says, "I'm from Lahore," you can say, "Oh, Lahore is a beautiful city. I've always wanted to visit." This shows you are listening and it keeps the conversation going.
Good point, Ikra. Listening is a very important part of speaking. When you listen carefully, you learn new words, phrases, and the correct way to say things. So always be a good listener. Here's another useful tip. Try to repeat what you hear. If someone says, "I work in a bank," you can say, "Oh, you work in a bank? That's great." It makes the conversation natural and friendly.
Yes, that technique is called active listening. It makes people feel comfortable talking to you. Now let's talk about body language. Even if your English is not perfect, your smile, eye contact, and confidence can make a big difference. So, always smile and be polite. Use words like please, thank you, excuse me, and sorry. These small words make your English sound polite and respectful.
And if you don't understand something, don't panic. Just say, "Can you please repeat that?" Or, "I didn't understand. Can you say that again slowly?" These are very helpful phrases that every learner should know. No one will laugh at you if you ask politely. People will actually respect your effort to learn and communicate.
That's absolutely true. And do you know another trick? Always have a few conversation starters in your mind. Like if you are at a party, you can say, "This place looks amazing, doesn't it? How do you know the host? The food is great today." These small comments can open the door to a bigger conversation.
Yes, and even when you're online chatting with someone or talking in a video call, these tips work. Just start with a greeting, say something nice, and keep it simple. Let's practice a small dialogue to help our viewers understand how easy it can be.
Sure, I'll be person A and Altaf will be person B. A. Hi, I'm Ikra. Nice to meet you. B. Hello, Ikra. I'm Altaf. Nice to meet you too. A. Where are you from, Altaf? B. I'm from Karachi. And you? A. I'm from Islamabad. Oh, I've heard Karachi has beautiful beaches. B. Yes, it does. You should visit sometime.
See? It's so simple. If you can use just a few of these lines, you can easily start a conversation. Don't worry about grammar too much in the beginning. Focus more on speaking and listening. Practice daily. Talk to your friends, your siblings, even to yourself in English.
Yes, practicing daily is the key. You can look in the mirror and practice introducing yourself. For example, hello, my name is Ikra. I am from Pakistan. I am a student. I love learning English. Repeat it every day. You will start feeling more confident.
And also try to learn one new sentence every day. You can write it in a notebook and say it out loud. For example, I like reading books. I'm learning English to improve my job skills. Can you help me with directions? These sentences are useful in real life.
Another tip is to watch English movies or shows with subtitles. Try to speak the dialogues like the actors. This is called shadowing. It helps with pronunciation and fluency. You can also copy the tone and expressions. It's fun and very effective.
Also, don't forget to use your phone or any device to record your voice. Speak on a topic for 1 minute and listen to it. You'll notice your mistakes and improve faster.
That's right. And remember, English is just a language. It's not a test. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be clear and confident. Make English your friend, not your fear.
So let's quickly review the key points from today's video. Don't be afraid to speak. Use simple and friendly sentences. Be a good listener and show interest. Use polite expressions like please and thank you. Practice speaking daily, even alone. Use mirror practice and record yourself. Learn one sentence daily. Watch and copy English shows with subtitles.
And always remember, mistakes are okay. Every time you speak, you are improving. Don't stop. Keep trying, keep learning, and keep speaking.
We hope this video helped you understand how to talk to anyone in English with ease and confidence. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel English with Altaf and share this video with your friends who are also learning English.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning and speaking.
Take care and we'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing. Goodbye.
Goodbye and happy speaking.